This is an old mill house in South Carolina that the tiles have become unseated in front of the toilet where you got a lot of water. You can see the water damage. But not just that, but house has settled over the years. The floor is also very unlevel in a lot of places. And this is beautiful tile, old vintage tile. You can't find it anymore, so we're going to try to save these and save this floor and put them all back. And you can see where the old mortar is still on the floor. We're going to leave the mortar in place. Pour it directly in here, set the tile back, in 30 minutes we'll be done. This is all the material it should take to fix these 19 tile in these little bitty 2-ounce cups, and I just got a little bit in the bottom. That's all you need. Just put them back in place. If you get any on the surface, it'll easily razor off. So don't worry about the mess that you make. Leave the excess alone if it comes to the surface. It's non-corrosive. It won't hurt your skin. That's why you see me do it without gloves. But of course, we recommend on the instructions to the homeowner to always use gloves. But just trying to prove it. We'll have 15 minutes to apply the epoxy once it's on the floor. Work with it, get everything in place. Then 15 minutes after that, it's going to be completely dry. I used about half of the epoxy that I mixed up. That's why I say it takes just a little bit to go a long way. And now I just let it dry. It's all down flush because the lubricity of the rock and tile is so thin. And here's our finished floor. Now all we've got to do is go back and grout it.